Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your graphics card and CPU is not supported error in Forza Horizon 6. If you're unable to launch the game because of this message, there are several things you can try to get past the issue and improve compatibility with your system. First, make sure graphics drivers are fully updated to the latest version available for your graphics card. If you're using an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU, installing the newest driver can often resolve compatibility errors and improve game support. Next, check whether your processor and graphics card meet the minimum system requirements for the game. If your hardware is below the required specifications, the game may refuse to launch or may experience serious performance problems. If you're playing on a laptop, make sure the game is using your dedicated graphics card instead of integrated graphics. You can usually change this through your graphics control panel or your operating system's graphics settings. After that, install the latest Windows updates since some games require newer system components and drivers included in recent updates. You should also verify the game files through your launcher to repair any missing or corrupted files that may be causing the error message. If the problem continues, try launching the game as an administrator and temporarily disable overlays or background applications that may interfere with the startup process. Finally, restart your computer and launch the game again to see if the issue has been resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix the graphics card and CPU is not supported error in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.